in question number 3 of exercise 6.1, this is your diagram where what is given that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. It means this angle is equal to this angle, it is given. Now what is we have to find is angle PQS. That means this angle we have to find equal to PRT. We have to find equal to this angle. Okay, so this is what we have to do. So we will write what is given. Given is angle PQR will be is equal to angle PRQ. This is our given. Then to prove, what we have to prove is angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. This is what we have to prove. Now proof. So how you will prove that? First we can say in this thing, so this whole is becoming a line SQRT. This is a straight line. So we can say this whole is your, what happened? 180. So PQR, I can say this PQR, this angle, and PQS, that means this angle. These two angles are becoming 180. So we will write, since ST is a line, angle PQR plus angle PQS will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so this is why, because linear pairs. This is linear pairs. Now from here what we can do, because we have to prove PQS, so I'll keep the PQS here, angle PQS I'll keep this side, and angle PQR I'll move that side. So angle PQR, oh sorry, 180 minus angle PQR. So this is your first part. Then now again similarly, because ST is a line, so I can say this angle and this angle, this total angle is our how much? Again 180. So angle PRQ plus angle PRT, this angle also will become 180. Why? Again linear pair. Now if they are linear pair, so again same, we have to find PRT, so we'll keep the PRT here and equal to 180 minus angle PRQ. We'll keep this one is as number 1, this one is as number 2. We have to find this one. So now we have to prove this one equal to this one. Okay, PQS equal to PRT we have to find. Now we'll say here we have been given that PQR is equal to PRQ. This is equal to this one. So we'll say given that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So we'll say, we'll write both side 180 minus. We can do that way. So here we will do is 180 minus angle PQR. Same here also we'll do 180 minus angle PRQ. So both are equal, we have been given, and in that what we do is 180 minus both side we did. So it's like, suppose I say 3 is equal to 3. Suppose I say, so if 3 is equal to 3, so I can say 5 minus 3 also equal to 5 minus 3. So it's like this one, 5 is your, suppose 180. So 180 minus 3 and 180 minus 3 also will give me 2 and 2. So this is also equal. If these are equal, so if I subtract any one number both sides, so that also gives me equal. Okay, so that's what we did here. Now from 1 and 2 we can say angle 180 minus PQR is your what? PQS. So here we will write angle PQS is equal to, then this is also 180 minus PRQ. 180 minus PRQ is equal to our PRT. So angle PRT. So this we have proved from 1 and 2. Hence proved. So now in this question, what you have to what is there? Question number 4, 6.1 exercise. So this is the diagram. What is the diagram? It is, you can see that AOB is a straight line. COD is not a straight line. It's just coming and then this got that side. Okay. Now what is we have been given? Given is that angle X plus angle Y is equal to angle Z plus W. This is what we have been given. And we have to prove AOB is a line. Now how you can prove AOB is a line? So to prove AOB is a line, what you have to prove is, see if AOB is a line, what we used to do earlier is that if something is a line, that means the angle used to be 180. Suppose it is a line, so the angle of this and this used to be 180, isn't it? So if I prove somehow this is 180, that means angle X and angle Y 180, so that means it is a line. Okay, so that we have to prove as a line. So what that means? X plus Y I have to prove equal to 180. Okay, now so this is what given and this is what prove to prove, then prove. Okay, so we can say the whole angle, okay, all the angles total used to be what? Used to be 360. Okay, if the whole one round if you make, so it is always what happened? 360 it used to be. So we'll say X plus Y plus W plus Z, okay, is equal to how much? 360. Okay, so this is what happened, 360. This all four angles used to be how much? 360. Okay, now if it is 360, so X plus Y plus this W plus Z, this W plus Z is what our X plus Y, it is given. Okay, so I can write W plus Z as X plus Y is equal to 360. Why we can write? Because Z plus W is equal to how much? X plus Y. So this Z plus W is our X plus Y. So then XX 2X plus YY 2Y is equal to 360, or 2 we can take common. X plus Y is equal to 360, or X plus Y equal to 360 by 2. It is 180 degree. So X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So this is how we proved X plus Y is your how much? 180 degree. So therefore AOB is a line. So in question number 5, what is there? This is your diagram where POQ is a line, RO is something which is perpendicular on PQ. This is what it is given. So we wrote as given this thing. Then we have to prove that angle ROS, this will be equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This we have to find somehow. Okay, now what we will do, we will find this angle QOS and angle POS. Then we'll do try something, we'll get our answer. Okay, now what we will do, so proof. So we'll say since POQ is a line, okay, so it is a line. Now what is when it is line? So this all angles used to be 180. Okay, so what we need, we will use it. So first suppose I need QOS. Now QOS. If I say this angle QOS, so this angle, if you see, it is a angle this plus this angle QOR plus angle QOS. This total will become QOS. QOS will be our QOR plus ROS. Okay, so this is what we will write. So angle QOS, okay, will be equal to, what will be this angle is a sum of angle QOR plus angle ROS. Okay, so this is what we have. Then angle QOR, it, because it is a perpendicular, so this is becoming how much? 90 degree. So angle QOS will be equal to, this QOR becomes 90 plus angle ROS. So because RO is perpendicular to PQ. So this is perpendicular, that's why this becomes. Now what we have to find, another part is POS. Now part of this part POS, it is not a sum of anything because it is a only angle. Now if you see, this one is this angle, there is no part of this angle. What we can do here is, I can say ROP, this part. Okay, so angle, now we will write angle POS will be equal to this POS, what I will write, ROP, this total ROP, this is your ROP. This from there, if ROS, this part, if I cut this one, so what is remaining our POS? Okay, so this is what we will do here. POS will be equal to ROP, angle ROP minus angle ROS. So here also angle POS will be equal to this ROP. ROP is our, again, if this side is 90, so this side also will be 90. So this is also becomes 90 minus angle ROS. So this is because again RO is perpendicular to PQ. So because of that, this becomes 90 degree. Now we have to do is this one subtraction. So this and this we will do subtract. So this is suppose 1, this is your number 2. So angle QOS minus angle POS. So subtract 1 and 2. So this minus this will be equal to this minus this, 90 plus angle ROS minus 90 minus angle ROS. So this we will keep like it only, QOS minus angle POS will be equal to 90 plus angle ROS minus 90 plus angle ROS. So this minus will make it minus, this minus with minus will become plus. Then 90 minus 90 will get cancelled. Angle QOS minus angle POS will be equal to this ROS plus plus. So 1 and 1, that means 2 angle ROS. So, or I can say this one will come down, divide by 2. So half of angle QOS minus angle POS will be equal to angle ROS. So this is what we have to prove, angle ROS equal to half of QOS minus POS. So this is your answer.